Another unofficial entry into the great guitar builder of 2020. Black Crimson. I'm going to repurpose this old guitar from, I think it's probably the 60s. It's a Kawa, I think, K-A-W-A-I-I. The interesting thing about it is it has a Brazilian rosewood fingerboard. Therefore, you know, why waste it? You know, why not make the guitar that I wanted anyway? So that's what I'm doing with this. I'm going to go with some P90s, so I do need to route out a bit here. I'm going to put up there a three-way toggle switch, so I need to figure that one out. I'm going to have probably a volume and two tones. I don't know yet if I'm going to go with like a hardtail or not. I'm still deciding that. I'm going to cut myself a new pick guard. I've got some, this is by Vanson. This is white, black, white, 3-ply pick guard material. I have over here some pots, some CTS pots, some drop capacitors, and some other bits in there. In the back I've got some like other like input jacks and things. There's still some more stuff I'm going to need for this. I'm ordering my pickups this evening, bare knuckle, P90s. Haven't yet decided on hardware, but it's all going to be coming along shortly. So if you my base coat here, and I'm not going to tell you yet about the colors on there, so subscribe, hit the notification, and you'll probably find out more about that in the next video. This here literally is like my experience. I put this white one here together. That was like a plain maple. It's heavy. It's so heavy. It's too heavy for me, actually. That was plain maple when I got it, and I filled the grain, painted it, blah, 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 blah. There's a bunch of necks I've been working down on the bottom down there. I put this one together, repurposed some parts for this one. In fact, all I did, I didn't even repurpose that. Like that's that neck and the body I've done nothing to. Just left them the way there was, and put on my own pick guard and my own bits and pieces. So I don't really class that as working on it. This is going to be my main project. Let me show you what's going on down here. We have Sitka, we have Madagascar and rosewood back and sides, we have snakewood bindings, we have ebony and also Madagascar and rosewood for the headstock veneer. I have got Central American mahogany for the neck. What else do we have? Oh, Waverley snakewood tuners. That is my main project that I've got coming up, and I'm using mostly hand tools. I also have coming up some unboxing videos like Lee Nielsen. Honestly, it's the worst unboxing video in the history of unboxing videos, probably. And I made all kinds of mistakes in it, but screw it. You know, mistakes will be made on this channel. So let's show them. You know. So the only thing I've got left that I can do to get a start on this with this right now is, you know, just fill the holes, and then figure out like where I need to route, and just start marking out that. But obviously I couldn't make a guitar on this desk, absolutely, especially with hand tools, you know, like using a saw or whatnot. No thanks. So let me show you what I've been working on over the last month. This is what I've been working on. Not quite finished yet, just a little bit, a few more days maybe left to go. There's some work to do with the legs still. That's the side support. Along the bottom I'm going to have some supports on the ground that I could also use to, you know, to store stuff behind, because, you know, that would keep some of the dust and stuff from coming under the table. Still got to install the vise. That's an old record number 52 vise that I've just kind of cleaned up. I still need to clean it up some more. It had a bunch of rust. I got my own in. So now I can work outside, and this is my view when I turn my head into my little garden. And at night times in here I get hedgehogs, I get foxes. During the daytime obviously all kinds of birds, because I've got like 6 feeders, something like that. I have 1 cat, but including her I feed like 5. They all come and hang out with me and watch me work, whether it's on my garden or whatnot. So if you want to see more about what I'm up to, subscribe, hit the notification, and wish me luck in just competing and making some watchable videos.